I'm Elise and I'm going to explain how to install Venetian blinds. It's a simple process once you know how it's done. The first thing you should do is measure your window's height and width. The window size can vary from top to bottom, so take your measurements in at least 3 spots for the width and 3 for the height. Add a couple of centimetres to each measurement so you get blinds that cover the whole window. Once you've measured your windows, you can install the brackets. Decide where you're mounting your brackets. Most blind brackets come with multiple screw holes, so you can attach them to your window frame in different places. Use a grey lead pencil to mark a spot for 2 brackets, one on each side of the window, and make sure they're at the same height and depth on the window frame. If you want, you can use a spirit level to make sure the brackets are in line with each other. Use a drill with an impact driver attachment so they're firmly attached. If screwing directly into plaster or a metal window frame, you may need to use masonry or expanding plugs to screw into. Next, you can install the blind. Mount it to the brackets while it's still stacked together. All you have to do is lift it and snap it in place. Then it's just a matter of securing the cord to the window so it stays in one place. Use a screwdriver to attach the small cord cleat. Don't use stick-on attachments as they're not as strong. That's it. If you have any questions or want to chat about your blinds, come and visit us in store or head over to spotlightstores.com for more information.